So, a guy's messaged me today saying to me that Scrubs doesn't work. I think he does his own builds and stuff like that, and I said to him, no, it does work. It all depends what version you've got. I mean, months ago, I did a video where I tried to compare the Scrubs forks. So you had the normal Scrubs, you had the one from the lab, I can't remember what it's called, something Junior probably. Then you had Diggs's 399, and at the time, yeah, Diggs's one seemed to work better than the original Scrubs, and I think they're all basically like forks of Scrubs, copies of it. But there's another version of Scrubs out, and it's already in builds such as Just Scrubs, Dr. Manhattan, Freedom, Fire Stick That, Power, Non-Debrid, and maybe some others. I'm not too sure. But to get to it, you have to install it from this repo called the World Amiga repository. Now, I used to have this on one of my builds, the word World repo on one of my builds, and I didn't trust it because it's basically like I used to have before. It used to be called a super repo, a repository that has loads of different add-ons in there. Add-ons which some work, and of course many of them are dead. But somehow there's a version of Scrubs there, which is a higher version number. And after installing it and stuff like that, it works better than the rest of them. So I've already made a video of that on Rumble. He did ask me how to get this repo, and I only had this repo from a zip file. So you have to install it from another repo, which gives you all these other repos. I can't show it on here, I don't think. No, I can't show it on YouTube. I can't show it on YouTube. But for those of you who like to make your own builds, have your own setups and stuff like that, then of course check the link in the description. It'll show you. You can get it from the Dexy repository. That's where you can get the repo from. Alright, so you can dig in and have a look at that. Every good build should have that repository. If it doesn't, then in the video I'll just show you the URL. But I'm not going to show you that on YouTube. What else? So basically, you test out the stuff that works for you and that doesn't. And I think what the original dev did say, that you should, you can go into the settings and uncheck the providers that don't work. Because you know how it is, you click on something and then it runs through each link. And if it goes to where it's like a stop, it doesn't work, then get rid of that if you can. And that's what I sort of did. I went through it and I removed the providers that don't seem to work. So now for anything basically it works. So like I say, it's already installed in builds already, in some builds. Not every one's using it as yet, I don't believe, but hopefully we all can move across until the original dev probably updates it, which he hasn't updated in a while. Yeah, so check it out. All right, and don't say because you got Debrid that you don't need it, because a couple of days ago, this guy who uses Fen, he said, yeah, I still got Scrubs because Scrubs is great for old stuff, which you can't get. And like I say, everything's freely available. All right, and everything comes out free first. Sorry, I'm still coughing. Everything comes out free first. So it's good to have Scrubs as a backup if you've got Debrid. And of course, Scrubs is like the #1 scraper for non-Debrid users. Alright then guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much.